the number of people dying from antibiotic resistance infections is beginning to rise dramatically. The World Health Organization are getting close to panic about this issue. It's actually quite frightening.
Good. Laurel, what is the connection between this resistance of the antibiotics and the actual and traditional farming practices? When we are using pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, many herbicides, as in example glyphosate, were conceived at the beginning as an antibiotic, and later we moved the usage to the agriculture. How can you tell me this connection?
So yeah, a lot of these herbicides and pesticides can kill bacteria as well and cause them to adapt and develop resistance. But also there's a lot of specific antibiotics that are being used in agriculture that are developed against bacteria that infect plants. So they're doing this in current agricultural practices because you get blights, you get these wilts and things that affect crops. And so they treat them with these antibiotics directed against these bacteria, hoping that will improve their crop yields. But now all of those bacteria are getting resistance to those antibiotics, and they're spreading it around to other bacteria. And whether it's resistance to glyphosate or another antibiotic that is maybe similar to something that you might be using to treat a human disease, it can then pass that resistance on to a bacteria that's going to infect humans. So it doesn't just stay in the crops.